Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. I ke ukhatha aye emsebenzini afike emsebenzini uthola ubani uthoba uqabusana noDidi. Yo uDidi wabantu azange atshelwe where to get off. Bathi nje uyamlahla uthoba athi nya. Angithi uyamlahla uthoba uthanda ungathandi. Athi nya athi you cannot say nya to me. I will show you flames. You are going to dump your boyfriend today. Imagine telling a whole adult to dump. But ke that was the ultimatum. Dump him or else. After the whole work shift, Qatar decides to take a meal to Undumiso to say, I nakunzokudla ekhaya because I know ukuthi it's bad since you have lost umamkhulu, no one is cooking and therefore there is something. Please give them at home. In that conversation, she wanted to ask something. Undumiso wamtshela ukuthi bona whether uthini irent uzoyibhadala uthanda ungathandi. If you don't want to pay rent, go sell food by the side of the road. This is a good business. This is a business deal. And unfortunately, I want the rent. So, ke ukelwathi yes ngizoyibhadala i-rent. That okay, while we are there, uThidi uzomhlonipha. You are going to talk to Thidi as if uThidi is a human being. This thing of yours of talking to Thidi like uThidi nje is just a rubbish is going to come to an end. Yeah! I was like, viva Ndumiso, viva. Afike ekhaya ke uNdumiso nokudla. Kube ne-discussion around the table about the food, right? Kukhulunywe nje athi-ke umshengu umamkhulu abekelwe itafula. They must lay on the table, they must lay her plate and cutlery so as if she's alive because that's her position. That's an everything. Like yo guys, you can see which Chengu is in denial. He's even doing the garden, something that was done by Umamkhulu, something that he never did. Like guy is properly hands on as if vele like angazi Umamkhulu uzovela nje. But we know Guti grieving has different steps, and this is the step that Ugai is probably most at, and it's a very painful step for one to be in. Unomusa is back, guys. Abheke ithombe on Instagram finding ukuthi hey mamkhulu no more nani. Girl decided to go back to her house with a bang. Makafika lapha uthola uNdumiso noFakazile bayaketazana enhle kumnyango uvula uFakazile. uFakazile makathi tla ubani uNomusa. Hey kuthatheni istock uNdumiso azaphonsela uNomusa ngaphandle athi phuma la. Buza ukuthi why athole uNomusa noNqubeko rather umkhiphele ngaphandle not uNdumiso. Buza ukuthi why athole uFakazile noNqubeko. uDoreen Majola decided to cry tears. Ugal ungalile. uNqubeko didn't beg her athi no Mamela Paula, I understand what's happening. You used to leave me before, so this what you're doing right now, it's not new. I'm not shaken by you leaving. And like kahle, if you did not come, Umamkhulu may still be alive at this point. The woman that raised me, when yours is always to like run, flee, and do what you do best. So at this point, do what you need to do. I then vele uDoreen Majola wahamba akhala skanandi. Hey, kuyithibang.